Hi, I'm Callan, and this is an introduction to LinkTools version 5. LinkTools is a program written using Microsoft Excel, and it's a group of utilities for viewing and manipulating data from ECMLink. It gives you the ability to look at data and do some calculations and manipulate that data in ways that you can't do with ECMLink itself. To begin with, down at the bottom here, you'll see it's just a group of worksheets, standard Excel worksheets. Each tab brings up a different page, and on each page you can do different things with the log and the data from ECMLink. At the top of each page, you'll see some buttons that allow you to do different things depending on that page, and those will vary by page. And then on each page you can also right click and a menu will pop up that gives you other commands and options that again have to do with that particular page you're on. To start with, we'll click on the preferences button here on the home page. You can also get to that from any other page by right clicking and clicking preferences at the bottom. The preferences tab or dialog has a few tabs on it. Each tab has different parameters that you can set to set up options for the program, and we will get into these once we start talking about importing data and using it as we move through the videos. A little bit about each page. The log chart page is where we'll be importing the log and viewing that data. It gives you a lot of information as far as what you can look at, ways to look at that data, and lets you set markers and sections of the log you want to work with. The VE table, I've got a default loaded up here that I got by clicking this button. This is basically corresponds to the VE table in ECMLink. It's a direct copy of that table. You can directly cut and paste between ECMLink and this page. This is where we will be making changes to the VE table and manipulating that data. The AFR and timing tables are similar, and they correspond directly to the DA tables in ECMLink. There is a Dyno Sheet which allows you to view log data in a way that's similar to what you would see on an actual dyno. It's RPM based. In addition to that, it gives you a lot of data that isn't easy to see from the log. It does a lot of statistics for you as far as maximum values, average values. It'll automatically detect and measure spool time, 70 to 90 mile per hour times, so on and so forth. And we'll get into this a lot as we move through the videos. There's also a calculators page. This is just a group of random calculators that are pretty useful for calculating, for example, your stoic ratio if you're to plug into ECMLink's global fuel calculator. It gives you calculators to measure fuel pump flow rates, estimated fuel and airflow and injector sizing. The ECMLink display scaling is pretty handy. You can plug some numbers in here and it will tell you what to set for the minimum and maximum values on ECMLink's properties pages to look at the data a little bit easier, move things around, and lay the screen out a little better. Anyway, that's basically the introduction, and like I said in future videos here, we'll get into a lot more of this and talk about how to use this.